Are you using Coinbase as a beginner and feel like you're just scratching the surface? Do you want to unlock some of its secret features to save money and get ahead? You've come to the right place. Coinbase is a fantastic platform for getting into crypto. Its simplicity is a huge plus, but what most people don't realize is that this simplicity comes with a cost. You see, the main app charges you more in fees than you need to pay. If you're just buying crypto and holding it, this might not seem like a big deal, but those fees really add up over time. This is where the first and most important trick comes in: ditch the regular Coinbase app for Coinbase Advanced. It's not a separate company, it's just a different interface within Coinbase that offers lower trading fees and more powerful tools. I know what you're thinking, advanced sounds complicated. But it's not. The interface is a bit more detailed, with charts and order books, but for a simple buy or sell, it's just as easy. The key is knowing what you're looking for, which we'll cover in a future video. For now, just know that making the switch can save you a significant amount on fees. Another amazing trick most beginners miss is the Learn and Earn program. This is probably the easiest way to get free crypto on the platform. All you have to do is watch a few short educational videos and answer a quick quiz. The videos are super simple and take just a few minutes, and in return, Coinbase deposits a small amount of a new cryptocurrency directly into your account. It's a great way to build your portfolio and learn about different projects with zero risk. Finally, let's talk about the recurring buys feature. This isn't exactly a trick, but it's a powerful strategy that beginners often overlook. It's called dollar cost averaging, and it's a way to invest consistently without worrying about market timing. You set up a recurring buy for a specific amount, say $20 of Bitcoin every week. Whether the price goes up or down, you're always buying. This helps smooth out the volatility and, over time, can lead to a much stronger portfolio than trying to guess the bottom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.